Welcome back to the Upbeat Traveler. Today, we are going to look at the very popular tourist attraction of Cat Cat Village in Sapa, Vietnam. Cat Cat Village is located approximately 3 kilometers, about 2 miles, from the center of Sapa town, making it an easy day trip for tourists. The village sits in a lush valley surrounded by terraced rice fields. The best time to visit Cat Cat Village is during the spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November, months when the weather is mild and pleasant. The spring season brings cool, crisp air, while autumn offers spectacular views as the rice terraces turn golden. Winter, December to February, can be quite cold, with occasional fog or even snow in higher altitudes. The Cat Cat waterfall is the most prominent and easily accessible waterfall in the village. This stunning waterfall is located a short walk downhill from the center of the village, making it one of the main attractions for visitors. The Cat Cat waterfall is set in a picturesque landscape. The waterfall cascades down the rugged mountainside, creating a peaceful yet powerful flow of water. The sound of the rushing water, combined with the fresh mountain air and the surrounding greenery, makes it a perfect spot for relaxation, photography, and nature walks. The waterfall's dramatic setting provides excellent photo opportunities. Visitors can take photos from various viewpoints, including a wooden bridge that spans across a small stream near the waterfall. The best time for photos is early morning or late afternoon when the light is soft and golden. A significant number of tourists choose to dress in traditional Hmong ethnic attire during their visit to Cat Cat Village. These vibrant, hand-woven clothes are a colorful representation of the indigenous culture of the black Hmong people who inhabit the area. Many locals rent out these outfits to tourists, allowing them to experience and photograph themselves wearing the elaborate dresses, embroidered jackets, and silver accessories. The clothing is often adorned with intricate patterns, which have symbolic meanings and reflect the region's craftsmanship. The river flowing through Cat Cat Village is called the Mong Ho River. This river is an important natural feature in the Sapa region, running through the valley and offering scenic beauty along with its cultural significance. The Mong Ho River is particularly notable for its role in supporting the local agriculture, with villagers using the water for irrigation, washing, and other daily activities. The river is also an essential part of the landscape surrounding Cat Cat Village, providing a serene and picturesque backdrop for visitors. The main walkway to the village's key attractions, including the Cat Cat waterfall, can be completed in about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the pace. However, many visitors choose to extend their exploration by venturing on nearby trails that lead to remote spots in the valley. For visitors to Cat Cat Village, the pigeon coops are an interesting and often charming sight. They are typically scattered throughout the village, adding an authentic rural touch to the landscape. Tourists can sometimes interact with the coops by observing the pigeons or learning about the traditional methods of raising them. The pigeons in Cat Cap village are free roaming, coming and going from their coops throughout the day. The afternoon show at Cat Cap village in Sapa, Vietnam, is a vibrant cultural performance put on by the Black Hmong people that offers visitors a unique glimpse into the traditions, music, dance, and daily life of this indigenous ethnic group. This show is a popular attraction for tourists visiting the village and adds a layer of cultural richness to the experience. The music is typically played on traditional instruments, such as the flute, drums, and string instruments. The melodies often feature simple, repetitive rhythms that evoke a sense of connection to nature and the community. These instruments are handcrafted and passed down through generations. The performers wear elaborate, hand-embroidered costumes that are traditional to the Black Hmong community. The costumes feature bright colors like red, blue, and purple, and are often adorned with silver jewelry, including large necklaces, earrings, and headpieces. The show creates a meaningful cultural exchange, where visitors not only observe the performance but also engage with the local community. The Hmong performers take pride in sharing their traditions, and tourists leave with a deeper appreciation for the Hmong way of life. After you have completed your tour of Cat Cap village, you can catch a trolley bus back up to the car park.
You're from Vietnam?
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again. We hope to see you next time. Bye for now.